look what we come across. Some weird and wonderful structures in front of the iconic Blackpool Tower, which is going to be turning 125 years old in May. So everyone who's watching, give a round of applause to the beautiful, magnificent Blackpool Tower for its 125th birthday. And keep going. And it is, as you can see, pretty cloudy with some sunshine. It is mild today, and there's plenty of atmosphere around us. We've been on the trams and we had a delicious fish and chips and a jolly cup of tea. Thank you very much, and thank you for joining me. See you next time.